Yo! Assalamualaikum mga kabayan. And sa lahat po ng mga kababayan natin dyan na Bicolano.
Maray na banggi.
Maray na banggi po sa Induga Boss. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Landmark Grand Hotel dito sa May Alriga. And na-invite ulit tayo sa isang children's party. So ngayon ay ka-7th birthday naman ni Cedric Miguel. Former classmate siya ni Yana. And then yun, na-invite kami dito para mag-dinner and makipag-celebrate sa kanyang birthday.
7th birthday. Happy birthday, Cedric.
Yes, happy birthday, Cedric. So, actually malapit lang to sa amin. So, walking distance lang. And mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo after nung celebration kasi nakita namin na parang nag-open na yung night market dito, yung Alriga.
May mga ilang stores na.
Oo, may mga ilang stores na nag-open dito sa May Alriga Night Market. So, mamaya papakita natin yun sa inyo after ng celebration natin dito, okay? So, sa ngayon, check muna natin itong kanilang hotel. Okay?
Okay.
Ganda, misis. Otang naman dyan. Okay, so dito sa lobby, napansin namin, merong mga function rooms dito. Katulad nito, yung pistahan. Kasi ito naman, isa pang function room, yung Delights All Day Dining. Okay. Ayan. So, ganito yung lobby nila dito. Tapos, merong elevator dito. Actually, yung lobby niya, maliit lang. Pero, cute ito. I love Dubai. Ayan. So, dito tayo nag-intro kanina. Kasi, maliwanag, maganda yung lighting dito. Ayan. Tapos, dito yung kanilang reception. Ayan. Tapos doon naman yung function room para doon sa birthday ni Cedric. Ayan. Minecraft naman yung kanyang team sa kanyang birthday. Photobooth muna tayo. Wala pa yung mga ibang bisita. Saan pwede makilagay? Touch nyo lang. Touch na lang mo.
Ito, pwede mo kunin. Occasion.
Wala muna. Ay, wala muna.
Okay. So, pwede nyo kontakin ang okasyon. Ayan, si Ma'am Cecil Moralda, event manager nila. Lalagay ko na lang yung contact number dito. So, ito yung aming picture. Cute. Happy birthday, Cedric! Ulit tayo. Saka...
Start na! Baliktad pala kami. Punta na lang. Daming baon. Dapat na yung deal. Pulis. Ito hawakan mo pa. Takpan naman ikaw.
Printing na siya. Sale. Okay. Crab and corn soup. Kakain na tayo.
Walked over, joined in the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fine. Yeah. Said hi and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the
Diana, rice and chicken. Good. Nakuha natin pagkain.
in my head, yeah. Don't need second guesses. Falling but won't let it show. You're what I'm looking for. You had me at the door. Walked in, I need some more of you. I need you in my life. I want you all the time. I'm falling through the sky for you. I promise not gonna lie. Showing more of this side. A victim of different lies, but I might try for one of a kind. I might try for you can see through oversight, baby, yeah.
Yeah, one time for my girl back home. Say this twice or you won't fit alone. My love for you has grown. My love for you has grown. Miles apart, but I still feel closer. Shines bright, but I don't lower exposure. Smoke show before you even get to know her.
You're what I'm looking for.
Steve Boy together with his friends. Come on, everybody! Hands, everyone!
What is it then?
What's inside? Whoa. The ball that you like?
Okay, John! Chicken! Energy, guys! Thumbs up, everybody!
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing with the girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, girls, are you ready? Ready! Ano daw? Di ba may chat kayo? Ako nagang gumawa. Okay, again. Boys, are you ready? Ay, pagtuwa. Okay, girls, are you ready? Ang sex pang dito, isa lang eh. Okay. Number 4, number 3, number 3, number 1, action! Kayo mga talunan. Boys mo naman eh, prize please. Congratulations. Ayan, pasok mga talunan. Magka-picture naman yung mga loser natin. Sabot ka, Bisaya dahil. Sabot ka? Ay, kasabot siya. Okay, so this is just the famous, the longest happy birthday Cedric! Okay. So yung rule ng kids, you will do the longest happy birthday Cedric while the mommy or your partner will move any part of her body. Aliana pa. Aliana, what's the name of your mommy?
Arian.
Arian. Kinurek na Aliana. You can do it. You can do it. You can beat the 39. Can we have 2 winners, mommy? Top 2? It's okay? Oh, top 2. Oh, so you need to beat the 19 or 39. Okay, are you ready? Let's try. Okay, a round of applause for Ariana and mommy Ariana. Ready, set, go!
Happy birthday,
Eh.
Talaga year 19. 21!
Yay!
Ayan, Sophia and Ariana. Ayan, congratulations. Ayan, diga.
Soft opening ngayon ng night market dito sa Alriga. So yung ibang mga stores open na sila ngayon. Yung iba nagpe-prepare pa para bukas.
Attention, pawisan mo. Ang taba, nalalaki na sa iyo. Ayaw kami ng
Blaze Hub, Ningnangan, It's Atay, Inihaw King, Agimono, Sisig Express. Open na sila oh. Hanggang dun yun sa dulo. Shawarma, potato corner. Dunyon the vibes. Putin Pinoy. Alriga Night Market.
Pero chef food talaga yung pangalan.
Doon lang yung night market sa likod. Nasa tapat lang siya ng Juice World. And ito na yung kahabaan ng Alriga.